Hi, this is the Realme 11 and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So let's open first the settings and then tap the Wi-Fi section. To activate Wi-Fi or to turn it off, we should click to the switcher. Also, we get here all of the available applications. Just select one from the apps and enter the password. Tap to OK on the right upper corner and wait a couple of seconds. Now we could see that our device successfully connected to this network. So also we got one more way how we could do that. Just open the control panel and here we could activate or turn off the Wi-Fi just by click on this icon. To launch Wi-Fi settings, hold it for a while and click here to more. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.